Africa mahle bodani mani bomgquba igama lami ndingusilindilwa kwaLufelo uMampinga umbhalo kaqosha umuntu omntwana ngabe noboya funa bantwana funa abadala. Welcome to Unscramble Life with Slee. Namhlanje ke ngihamba nomunye ubhuti la abambiza ngokuthi ngubhuti Sedi. All the way from Soweto. Guys, yazi akunanto eningayi understand engizontshela yona manje njengokuthi him sitting here ungiphe isikhathi sakhe. He would have went to do other things, but he honored this day to have a sit with me. And ngifuna ukunibonga nani because of you streaming, you sharing, liking, commenting. Niyangikhuthaza every day ukuthi ikhona lento engenzayo. Silabantu esingabo ngenxa yenu. Sedi. Ukren.
Angren.
Lalela, mina makhulunywa ngoSedi ngibona ibhayo yakho lapha ngizitshela ukuthi ngihlangana nomuntu omfishane.
Next.
Kanti uzohlangana noJovis. Bakwazi ngoba nekazi.
Sanbonani, ma-Africa mahle. This is your boy Lisedi. Kamalamu Lisedi Jewel Mukwena. Yeah. And then my stage name is Sedi Tribes Musical. Lekasi vele bangazi yet. Usedi at first mangicala music I started as Sedi RSA.
Okay.
And then as time went by I had to change igama.
Okay.
Because besibani ngabo RSA.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so mina ngithanda unique. I like something elokuthi izangami.
Yeah.
You understand? Elokuthi angithanda ukulandelwa in a way, but I like into elokuthi manje when I come with it abantu bazozuza kuyo same time. Yeah.
So original umsuthu.
Yeah, kimsuthu.
Yeah, akeke ketseba gore ba kwena ke basuthu. O mojape.
Straight.
Tell me, where were you born?
I won't lie, I was born Musautas.
Okay.
Yeah, Paragwana Hospital.
Okay.
But time I came to Lesotho.
Okay.
And Free State, so mama mxhosa. Yeah, mama she's true.
So when you mixture kahle wena ulihlubi kahle. Ulihlubi kahle. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it, man. And can you tell me the dynamics of ukhulele eSoweto ngumntana omfana umama notata bebekhona in the same space?
Okay, let me start kanje ne.
Okay.
Because ngiyakuthemba I'm going to share just like maybe let me say 50% of
No. It's not about themba mina something. It's you sharing what you know that is important.
Okay.
But I'm not here to get into your feelings in a sense of ukuthi upset. Yeah. The whole purpose of this is abalandeli bakho bazi the small insights about who you are. But we're not here to destroy anybody's character. That's my whole goal.
So, okay, Lisedi like is just like a young man, just like any other regular boy. Leekasi. You know the hood.
Yes.
Like Menkulum and some people like they experience it live. Yeah, so ukhulekasi mina vele as we came this side maybe Gauteng.
Yeah.
Asizaphe Gauteng. From Free State.
Okay.
And then I came this side. Wenziwe izinto saphila kwaba right, and then I moved to Orange Farm. Like I was always moving because we never had a stable place.
Okay.
Ekaya, yes, we had to always move, like shift.
Okay.
So sharp. We moved. Okay.
How old were you when you came to? Yeah.
Okay, I was 3 years old after the death of my dad.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So Baba kushona usasemncane.
Yeah, kushona usasemncane. So
like and then your mom had to figure this life alone now.
Yeah.
Okay. And then now you shifting from one place to another. Do you think it had an impact of mhlambe confusion of your identity somehow to try to find your grounds as Uli said?
For me, I think maybe like maybe Nintland.
Okay.
Yeah, I've lacked in terms of maybe the gift that I have. Giti mina. Okay, Gabo Baba. Like the Amazangom, and then from Gabuma Lady, the people about prophet, using water and whatnot. So yes.
So you grew up in a spiritual home.
In a spiritual home.
I
Say
like
yes. Yeah, Namamadula. So I don't know. They say my granddad passed whatever, gave me whatnot. So that's why everything I do actually they say characterizer.
Like a tribe, Pela tribe. Remember, masikhuluma nge-tribal. Sikhuluma ngento ene beat eningi, sikhuluma ngento ena instrument.
Thank you.
You understand it. That's how I understand it. Tribal.
Yeah.
So that's who you are as well. You live within instruments.
Straight, yeah.
And do you know, Wutsibati, before the word in the world, there was drums, there was instruments.
Yeah, sound.
That's that,
Came sound. Yeah.
like
yeah, yeah.
people communicated through sounds,
Thank
through
you.
music.
Yeah.
But music, wama sounds
Wama
and
sound,
beats,
drums, everything.
yes.
Yeah.
So I was trying to relate to what you're saying, Guti, the gift from your paternal and the maternal,
Comes
and then
from,
now,
yeah.
okay,
Yeah, and then smooth because we were people Laloguti Manje, we always moving around near Orange Farm. So my mom, like, we never had like maybe relationship record. So because I always reminded him of my father, like the things I did. So I never knew Guti Mina, like what happened back then. Like beba tritana ganjani, you understand? So Mina, like maybe I would always mangle my mom, like, okay, maybe I was still young, like I'm telling you, like you my mom, you my dad, like you strong for the fact you good like as I'm in the ocean, like you strong, and like today we getting like certificates schooling they trying to give us some scholarships and whatnot is because of you. Understand? If you went there, like asas you understand? Okay, but like I think nah, she never felt it the way it was coming out, Mina, from game, you understand? So Mina lento beings we suklunging affect in a way, but I had to outgrow it. Understand? Yeah. So okay, sharp is moving. My mom had like maybe my issues back then, maybe from family, the way upbringing, and my relationship working about it's okay, sharp. See, as we're moving, things started changing because she became abusive and gave me C5 Ekaya, and I'm the second born. Yeah. So my sis, bekumuntu omuvayo sihlalela nomuntu wakhe was like, "Say go ntwana wenzala." Okay, sharp. So she started becoming abusive and whatnot. My sister moved out. At school they saw man good time. You clever, but like now let's say we are tula and then when you're sokolisi kuluma, even though kuluma pendula, something like that. So when kwenzakala talk to us. So there's this teacher of man being Temba, and then I was like, hey ma'am. Nankhathele today ngicela ukukhala kuyo, understand, because mina like angisabe ukukhuluma nomuntu angisabe ukuthi umuntu angitshela inkinga. I'm not Jesus, but I believe what I can say might make a difference in your daily life. So me and I talk. Then teacher was like, you living this life like ungaka, what's going on, like, you understand? So I was like, okay, ma'am, I think like I always had that thing. Nestle,
were you in high school that time?
No, primary.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I always had that thing. Like I was young, but I don't know. I'm being Johnny.
Yeah.
Some parents, like, they didn't even allow me to because I was young, but my mind was like, yes. So like, and then I went to an orphanage, Orange Farm. Siyakula, and then I went there. I was like benyiwane bantwana bakithi ngihlala le. I lived there. I enjoyed, like, I liked being around abanye abantwana sifundisana. So they had amakhwaya, so I was like, hayi man, namakhwaya, let me write songs for you. Thingi ngiculeleni ngize. So amantombazana mawucule yabona, so niggas they be like, ntwana bheka bayafila. So like ntwana bheka bayafila. Manje wena uthina be like, hayi, as like asenzeli bona mina know ukuthi ibuya kuphi, very like maybe bengathi I lo zenza mdala lo mncane ntwana wena uzofuna ukudlala ngama toys sona futhi. No, like it's because maybe until I get whatever ngifuna, I won't rest. Yeah, until I get whatever ngifuna. So impilo ngokuthi benjalo, like it molded whatever or rebuild a character kimi lokuthi today I might look young, but just sitting down nomuntu and having a conversation, ukuthi, you understand. So yeah, ngisuke orphanage, came back, yazi umama esikoleni izoxolisa ukuthi no man kanje kanje I have stress on that. So mina ngiba nezinto ezinjani, khule ngibukela ama movie too much. I was like, no mama, khuluma. Hlala phansi nabantwana bakho yakhuluma, niba nama meeting, even though like a family we can have meeting one a month, because sonke asikho sharp angithi. Sonke like asikho sharp.
And we go through things every day.
Thank you. And like abanye, like maybe mama uya esikoleni ukhuluma nabo, like in whatever, you understand. So nabo uzogcina ba create anger just because wena uzubhlungu. So
yazi said, I'm gonna say this to you, ne?
Yeah.
And as I said, Guti, I'm not trying to tap in your emotions or in your feels. But we are these people who wants to heal other people. Go to a heal so that you can heal others. Because I need to buy about to hurt people. I relate a lot when it comes to an abusive mother. I understand fully. And I don't want to cry, but I know I'm that person who I allow myself into anything. In things of July and Wutim, it's only on 2022. Mama mshone to 2004.
Okay.
And the saddest part is azikho izinto ezinhle engizicabangayo ngomama. Even today.
That's the most sad.
I like the fact that at some point when we understand that probably your mother had issues as well, that agayazi, she doesn't know any other life but a hard life. You need to be hard, you need to be abusive, because that's the only life it was shown to her. But for me, it took me until 2022 to understand that. Because my mom used to put me up, ngize pass it out. My mom used to, my extension cords, ngiyawazi emzimbeni wami. Mina lisedi benghamba 1 hour uye esikolweni walk. Ngambe ngingadlanga. Ngiya understand situation asekhaya. Akunakudla. Angikheranga. Ngizophinde ngiwalke 1 hour ukubuya. Ngiyazi ngizithola ngingenakudla. You know, there were days mangikhumula ngizumeke ngilale. You know why? I'm hungry and I'm tired. You know, my mom ubezongena ekamereni angishaya ukuthi umelwe izitsha in awucabanga ukuthi umntana wakho ulambile. Ngapha ngihamba umhlanga, ungihambisa umhlanga like ngiyahlola ubuvegan, but mangithole ngilala athi yini namhlanje bungayanga esikoleni ubuhambile uyolalwa ngabafana.
Assumptions like, and that's what
but you understand what I'm trying to say, and I appreciate for who you are now, and it doesn't make her a bad mother. No. As I say, Wuti, that's the only thing she knew. And it's okay to talk about it. You know why? Because it's going to make you a better person. Yes, if it really made you feel no good of what it was done to you, I believe when you can change that narrative and never do it to your kids or anybody next to you just because of you imposing, because it's impose. Ukhumbula ukuthi ufuna ukukhipha lo buhlungu bakhe to another person.
And lento ya move is now becoming a curse. Serious.
And how's your relationship with your mother now?
Still the same.
Okay.
Yeah, still the same. Like, not to good ekhaya. I mean, like, I've always told her one thing. I mean, I've lived a home guy too, twice because of the same person.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Sometimes too much.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, sometimes like I would be like, mangikhuluma stories. I'm like, are you lying? You can't, because like magafika as a parent. Explaining whatever. Okay, I had to stood by Mezumdana. I won't like beg everything.
Yeah.
I had to stood by Mezumdana. You know, as into an I won't blame also the horde.
Yeah.
It also comes from you. But as Umdana, but as a young man, like I'll alert.
And I understand my consequences.
Thank you. So you're just doing for the sake of fun.
Yeah.
You understand? Just like my party. No sleep. Then
ungene my friend untshontsha ama sweets.
You understand izinto ezinjalo. Sizenzisa abantwana. So mina those things ukuthi okay. I had to learn like the hard way with maybe like when I'm ubekile like nalakho sisendlini, you know, like maybe ngithathele umuntu angaphandle maybe ubekile 200. Usilisha 200. Hey shoot uholeni mina ngiyayithatha. Ngihamba angicelanga. You understand? So bekafuna ukuputha discipline in a way, but you know, like I think the guy installer in a wrong way. Yes, bekayifaka ngenye indlela. Because like mina bengimtshela ukuthi if bengomunye umntwana kube ngisiyekile isikolo kube ngibhema ama drugs like kube nje like ngiyeka impilo yami, understand?
What kept you going, Zedi, until this far? For you not to end up usezitrateni and doing wonke lama activities are bad.
No, number one, Shout out to my sis. Like, firstborn guy, my mom. Like, yo, sister Lam, okay, she has 2 kids, 9, but with whatever cash or whatever thing I told her out there, because as we share nothing. Yes, like, ube mama in a way, you understand? So, like, yeah, we're not like nyampakamisela because, like, you. Even my mom sometimes because I was ukuthi ngithatha usisweni ngathi umamini I was like because uyakwazi ukuthatha incwadi yami eDBE ahlale nami phansi angitshela ukuthi amaqanda eDate rather than ukuthi angirasele you understand uyakwazi ukuhamba nami right like mina umama didn't need a lot from her like I didn't have the ability ukuthi ngithenge like isihlangu but at least like now with December ukwazi ukuba na something you understand like I took go to places ngibolekwa. But when I show up, niggas never know ukuthi yo ntwana mangifika ngaphandle ngiyabahlekisa I do this like I become that character and then mase bonke abantu bahamba. That's where reality kick in and then yeah I had to you understand yeah so ezinye izinto like yo I learned to live now like bekubhlungu ecaleni I was like uNkulunkulu like time alibhodile and they like also hearing stories about your father lokuthi manje they're not gonna inspire you they're not gonna do anything for you in life in so it becomes useless so there came a time where I was like uNkulunkulu like what's the point of us having parents like why umuntu angazala aphume like usifane nenyoka inyoka iyekela umntana wayo like ahamba yozikhulela and not without knowing what is related ingabuya futhi yenza abantwana nomntana wayo you understand
what is it that you only needed from your mother
support number 1 ngeke ngithi uthando because it was enough uyabona it was enough ukuthi bengikwazi ukuthi bengihlala emkhukhwini onethayo bengikwazi ukulala ngidlile bengiyesikoleni ngipolish isicathulo I had a full uniform ngihlala emkhukhwini onjani but mangene esikoleni bungasho ukuthi I'm a cheese boy because of yena I don't know bekayenzani but I believe ukuthi like now she's a jack of all trades yes like uyakwazi kuyenza into yakhe
hlanganisa
yes as a mother you understand and like I feel like sometimes nani as like female figures like it's too much for Nina Slee understand in a way because I feel as nathi school as says they never teach us on how to like maybe take care understand even though ungahlukana nomuntu wakho but cha ukuthi wena nomuntu wakho like be there for the kids you understand ungafuna ukufaka abantwana like ube like no David wandenza into
but in then for you go when I said I don't blame most of men of who they are or on how they treat women you know why you cannot do something that you never seen ufunde phi ukuthi umuntu ongumama uphatha njengeqanda if kwawakho utata zanga yenze lonto leyo if utata wase next door zanga yenze lonto leyo are you a bad person you are what you eat bezisenziwa phambi kwakho it's either ebengekho at all for you to witness uba umuntu ongumama uphathwa njani uba ukhona nguye lohlukumeza umama and then how do I blame you when you're doing exactly what you were taught into bisenzeka phambi kwakho you understand what I'm trying to say fully. But I appreciate you saying female figures they bakuningi abakuthwalayo but at the very same time I believe that even male figures nina ni worse because you are never given a platform to vent because of kunalento kuthiwa qina ntwana you know ungazozenza usisi in you understand I think that's where the challenge comes from because anina ma channels in a way you can talk about your feelings Tina we are everywhere we are allowed to vule camera ukhale
and then like people they're gonna listen
you understand
New David ngizokusiza like
we
so
get
like,
away with
so
many things
yeah.
You understand and now as uchoba ubungumntana uhlale home makuphela period oba afuneka mhlawumbe ubuyele ekhaya were you scared of that buye ungafisi ngathi ungaba lapho forever because I believe ukuthi buba ne period okuba afuneka uhlale khona and then you have to go back isn't it
yeah
And then how did that make you feel every time when you have to have a change? You're home, you're happy, you're finding yourself, you're finding your craft, and you feel like you are seen, because I think you wanted to be seen. And then now you have to go back home. And begunjani for when like when you, every time finally you change it from one place to another, meaning the home nasekhaya.
Yeah, like gonna like it was difficult. Like maybe nama psychologists would say like for umntana obeka kule age at the time, like it wasn't healthy at all. Like you know, like that this thing of busy like moving when okay, let me start ngalene. Okay, maybe living at home makumele ubuyele ekhaya. And it wasn't that hard.
Okay.
Yeah, because why? I knew like I had. Instead of building friends for a long time, I liked to build a family. Yeah, like I'm trying to build abangani like abenzelani next life in abangani abaphilelani. You understand? It's just that the pretense is either slanganela utshwala ukuthi slanganela ukuthi we're going somewhere or something. But if I would say, Dwana tomorrow when I die, uzokwazi ukumbheka umntana.
Yeah, sure.
Because we've been there for each other. Uzokwazi ukumbheka umntana mampora. Not to say it's a must, but uzokwazi ukumbheka ilihlo. Understand? Like izinto ezinjalo. So like I found the family there.
So you were always looking forward to come back home?
Yes, because abomama like abasebenza khona. Ezinye amanye facility like njengama furniture awekho sharp. Abomama bakhona they just hire abantu nje. Umuntu nabantwana, maybe probably you have 6 kids, but mawufika le ukuthi abantwana bakho bakunika stress, mawufika le wena ufuna usikhiphela ukuthi lo akusumntana. Yes, lo akusumntana lo ngamhlaba nangempama anytime ngifuna. So there we had abomama ba sharp. We had abomama alokuthi uzokutshela ukuthi akunokuthi lo mntana lo ba nabantwana bambonke. And they had into ukuthi like the reason I love brotherhood, they had into ukuthi oyi-one makayenza into simvumela kanjani ayenze bese sifuna ukuthi asafaka ama consequences alo. Yes, we all gonna suffer because why nesilungu sithi if izambanelwane liyabola libulisa ngipheke like how you understand izinto ezinjalo. So I was like mangekhaya, and I would tell nabo izinja zami I always had confidence ntwana ngiyava ngekhaya. Uhlala that side mawubuya kithi asambe.
It was so home. It was closer to home.
Straight. Home like I think I think Orange Farm Middlelands. They close. They close.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And then let's talk about your gift now of music, of craft, of art. You realized when you were 12.
Yeah.
What happened that day that made you to know, this is me, this is what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm going to heal people and heal myself through it?
I had like mntana ngithi umncane ungilandela emuva entombazana, so share ubaba. So like unenye confidence sometimes, like I was like mina ngicine ngibashaya self ukuthi yo
too much
mase kathi azamsabo nasengimele bathi uphutha umntana wenza kanje into. So umntana ngithi there was this time uceda ukushona umntana wesikole primary. So like memorial service, so thina obviously mama beka umuntu ogcwele esikoleni. Makaze esikoleni like she would greet all the teachers esikoleni like sasimangmangize kina mama bona like
your mother reminds me of my mother. Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah,
yo like unshabele bona umulkhiyo munya like unexplaina yonke into iphelele ukuthi bonke abomembazi ukuthi we are there. Okay, sharp. Anakithi memorial service cede kushona umunye umntana bathula re. So ushayiswe imoto. So bayacula lapha esikoleni, so sihleli lapha eholweni bathi ngingayikhaya. Ngihleli awayingayikhaya manje ngihleli. Bangithatha sihambe seholweni ngifika siyahlala emuva sama prayer and what not. Hawu dwa anakithi nangu uyangena eminyango. Hawu no, afika acula. Makacula deputy principal athi okay manje njengoba baceda ukusivulela kanje mangahlale phansi sibiza ubhuti wakhe masiceda ukuvala iceremony bacule like ifamily like sacula like saze sakhala nathi like wakhala wonke umuntu in the room sakhala nathi like that's when like I saw ukuthi if ngikwazi ukukhalisa abantu abagcwele a school hall like ngento mina engiphethe, so what's more, you understand? Because I've always learned into ukuthi if you're good at something ungayenzi mahala.
You're the second person who's sitting here and telling me that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serious, like if you're good at something,
if you're good at something, don't do it for free.
Never, because I feel like now we are spreader by always trying to give out whereby our benefiting next. Yes.
Empty.
Thank you. Because nonkulunkulu, that's why into akazange yenze into esi3. Akuna middle class, there's no upper class, class low, upper class. There's no middle class. Left, right. Negative, positive. There's no positive, negative.
Plus, minus.
Thank you. Isn't those clearly in balance, everything? So, I had to learn ukuthi ngizikhama kanjani down. Ngasli, like I had bengakwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu kahle. Nanoma like for mina ngikhulumela phansi, but for omunye umuntu maybe I'm up there or something. Bengumuntu loud because I had anger. So I thought, myself, as I came, I was like, listen, bona muhle jwang boy. I was like, bengathandi nokuzinakekela. Mina I was like, khanda ngizolibona, but ugeza ngisigeze ngibeka umuhle kanjani. Kunda ntwana nje ngismayelele ngiyi1 ngithi ayilona, ngismayelele ngiyi1 ngithi mara ayilona ntwana. Ngicela nje one thing. Whatever situation has go through yona la endlini, ungabi outcome yayo. When I be different.
Yeah.
Understand? They said we are turned. It's too much, but no, the war ratangating when you are different from Tina Landley. Not when you are turned. When you turn about, you turn. I'm too different from Tina Bambaganjal. So that tomorrow, Abantwana Baku, Utando Zobanigalona, lose shield our dev into Ubuyago. So ever since that day, like I got learned to legacy.
You heard it from your sister.
Yes.
And Yazi. Maningena lana, I'm gonna say this to you. Mina, the outstanding thing engingayithola kuyinhlonipho.
Yeah.
You know, yayazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. I appreciated
right,
that.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
really
Thank
appreciated
you.
that. And I feel like this whole thing, like it's hitting home because I relate so much from this.
Yeah.
And what would you want to say to that child who's going through the same situation right now?
I wanna know, like I'll be honest, totally honest with you. Number one, you can believe, but if you don't work, you believe. Agna next ozoyizuza lapho. You might have faith, but if awusebenzi kulolo themba lakho, uzohlezi usethembeni. You understand? Like
if awusebenzeli phezu kwelithemba unalo, uzohlala usethembeni.
Thank you.
What?
Yeah. And number last, like no matter ukuthi ubuya like isithi ulala estradeni wenzani, kwenzakalani. Whatever thing you're going through, manje, maybe no khuluma because usekamereni, or low khuluma because of something. Guys, umuntu angaba na camera abana in people that can live in lavish houses, but don't think ukuthi it's nice. It might be painted kahle ngaphandle, but awazi ngaphakathi amaraka ame kanjani, you understand? So yeah.
Sedi. Kahle, what you saying is ungafisa impilo yomunye umuntu.
Straight up.
Pave your way.
Straight up. And they're like whatever ubuya khona ungacreate umuntu ozoba uyekusasa wena lose into ebathi lose elifeni. For me it was never a lose, so a lose akube ilesson. Thatha lose as a lesson and iwin yakho ungafuni ukuthi wonke umuntu azi ngewin yakho, and don't want ukuthi abantu bafile shattered because wena you've won something, you understand? So iwin yakho yenze kube ngathi win yethu sonke.
I understand why you're in the same group.
Yeah.
Nabosim, because you all believing in work hard but stay humble.
Serious, like the one thing, like because angifuna ukuthoba imali. I never had imali life yami. Angifuni imali ngithobe, angifuni izinto ze materials ngithobe. Life angifuni impahlo yini angifuni ukuthi kusasa ngoba laba bangihlanyela abaningi angifuni lezo zinto zingithobe zingihambule ngifuna ukuthi ngene kuzo ngihumbled ngazi ukuthi okay nganje nakanje there are a lot of guys ngale like ba focused you understand ba sharp and like hayi ukuthi sometimes uncane ukuzenza inja or that guy gonna for me oranyana ukuthi yo chomi lo like uthanda introvert like sometimes it's better ukuzireserve umuntu just to relax abanye abantu abakwazi ukuhlala we-one you-one it's more you get time ukuthi ukwazi ukucabanga connect to the outer world spiritual realm ama-frequency wakho everything you just come like down akuna sound TV highlight everything you just sitting and just listening to that empty room cabanga izinto zakho
meditate
and then you go
and now from that day you knew ukuthi you're good at this. How did you execute it? How did you channel it until this far?
Mina like ukuze maybe ngicule namhlanje ngibe micing.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be here micing ngicula ngibane ingoma. I wouldn't be having comments ukuthi ntwana yo yazi your lyrics heal ntwana yo type of music do this if it wasn't for ama-outapili vele kimi ekasi. Ama-outapili vele kimi ekasi like we had a section yama-cheese boy we had i-section yalaba ke thina sizincengelayo so mina I always bengiphuma ngapha ngiyodlalela ngale and ngale bebangithanda ukudlula ngapha ngapha they thought ngizenza ngcono just because ngihlala nabangale you understand so mangifika ngale just relax limathi what so that day I was chilling ekhoneni nespeaker so amawuthi baba like mina uthi athi ntwana yazini shalela freestyle lakho lelibushala ngada emkhukhwini ntwana zwisa amahotman nenginye nami so I don't know what hide me abangazi ngiboneni lelalanga but engagcina ngasithola nami sinyaphezulu ngihamba then those guys bavela see that's why studio ntwana I thought badla like ama-soccer player abantu engikhuluma like bebazidlalela ibhola ngingazi ukuthi they even into this like they even into the music field yabona Shabangthathe ntwana zibaye I was taken by shout out to D-Man DJ Popman Tlhogo yo abaningi guys thank you bafethu thank you Mount yeah they took me to studio ngahlangana ne-out bathi you found X then ngenza ingoma yami yokucala bathi damn it plus at the time bebangakabi ne vision enginayo mina like in terms of music ebushayo uqaleni maybe they loved ukuthi bamba amakhanda bia you understand let's talk about bia but sometimes mina feel like music it help to go to khulume nami mina ngifuna music ozokhuluma nami even though ngashaya isigubhu ushaya like kuno message ekhuluma nami wayikhona ezinye ingoma mayimamela like uphakamisa ibia bese ukhala we-one sometimes not ukuthi udaki or something ikhuluma nawe you understand like like ikhumbuza somewhere uyarelate to leyo ngoma naleyo mlayezo
mina for mina intombazane ngisayikhumbula namanje ilokuthi tibulele hlusi lami yo ngafi ziyahlinyembezi uzibuza ukuthi I wonder usinde kuphi lelihlozi limsindise kuphi I hear you yeah
so like kunjani then amouth bangithatha sa studio recorded like the first hit then ngicela ukurecordela like I was the first timer fika lapha angashaya into zami zakhona
so awunanehluku ukuthi wenzakalani wenza kuphela
bathi intwana kuyabhalwa anginanefoni like anginanefoni ngiyazibuza yabhalwa anginanefoni wenzakala intwana mina ngicungidlalela ibeat
ngenza into yami
ngidlala ibeat intwana adlala ibeat so mina nginale nto ukuthi like I have to ngifile ekucala ngifile ama strings the chords kumele akhulume nami ukuthi like kwenzakalani like lento besisho manje talking about ama sound frequency nando abanye abantu they thinking ukuthi maybe izinto zabantu abaslem kuphela they not for abantu abaslem but if ukwazi like in like the word self awareness like
but self aware
like the word self like serious like serious because if I was azi some people think ukuthi bazazi ubani mina ngomagebo wabani uZulu no ubani who are you
like in Wakanda if have you watched it says everybody kwi Wakanda they felt ukuthi you need to tell us who you are
Thank you.
ungubani zice ude utsho ukumkani uthi utitshala uthi ndixelele zichaze uba ungubani
straight ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena ubani
yeah
ngangitshela ukuthi
unani ukuthi and you know lento isho wena lento zana said it's one of the things engihlala ngisho ngithi right now we have our fellow brothers who call women gold diggers, right? In a sense ukuthi ngihlangana nawe una everything ngiyakudata mase izinto zakho ziphelile bese ngiyakushiya ungibize nge-traitor ungibize nge-betrayer or gold digger. But you know what you forgot ukuthi when you came to me you didn't tell me who you are, you told me what you have.
Straight up. That's why
so you invited me to come and have what you had and now you no longer have them. You never told me you never told me who you are, you never told me how you feel about me. You told me what you have and what you're capable of doing for me. And that's what I came for. So it's very important to know who you are. I like that.
And like seriously, even the statement much good to be back and I'm just thinking with you. That's why like a lot of niggas get trashed. Because when instead of and then that is njani like as out yakhuliwe kahle obvious and not so there are things ukuthi kufika stage ukuthi ubambe kufika stage ukuthi khona abanye they know ukuthi thina every time masiye grooving we must come back with
sibambile sibanjiwe
you understand kumele sibuyama out thina make sure niyazi ukuthi thina zamabhola nje we doing this kumele okay bangena umnandi okay Paula Sharp you are an accountant usebenza Grand Standard Bank awuthaki manager sefoshini ruphi lo munye usebenza ngama golden what mhlangene awuthiyama siphumelele life bheka nawo amabhedi intona grand not knowing ukuthi singaba yi5 sabona amabhedi omunye ubona umshado kithi sihlili kanje not knowing you understand ubona umshado wena swenzani because of a substance yenza whatever yenza that's why like even the Bible says with mawuphuza ungaphuzela ukuthi uzikhohlwe ungaphuzela ukuthi uzikhohlwe khona umuntu okwazi ukuthi ngiyaphuza ngikwazi ukuthi ngibuyele ekhaya for mina ngiphuzile like bengidakiwe angavuka athi bengidakiwe sitawe nabo ungadakwa yes you understand because when uyazazi ukuthi no ngilimit until kanje
yes
ngifuna ukudakwa ngize ngizibone khona umunye umuntu uncane ubuserious ngifuna ukudakwa abantu
isithunzi sami
ngidakiwe but ngiqede njani ngigcoke namazazi ababona sharp our lighter okay thank you then like khona akafuni next
image yakhe it's very important
like uyazwakala nanomahlalo uyayizwa lento ukuthi umuntu makahlala then le aroma ekhuluma baqalisa uma uceda athi ufuna nongena imbheke ukhuluma nale awuthaki one bayaphapha ngibheka at money yes bese umuntu manje chomi lona how bathi ungwena lo yathi uma ayilona lo side back jombeka manje uhlala phansi usule kunuka kanjani nawo bantu wena siyangena thina ulisile isweek siyathunywa ngithi
ice boy
uyayenza izinto zakhona kwa ice boy uyanginyatha hello kanti abona kavulela sulwa abona ukuthi awubantu sister okay sharp bamba sister limbambi out ihambe endlini wena umtshela usile ukuthi sleep yazi kanje namfethu ngiyagroova phela sharp but mina bengiphumile nama out not knowing ukuthi
uhlangana
na understand umunye umuntu angacambela mangathi uyakuthanda first day yakubona khona into eshaya
louder I always say it doesn't make sense. You know, my brother said if only people could say I would love to know you better
because
I'm interested in you I'm interested in knowing you better yekela
love you ungakhuluma love abanye abantu mina leswe ngibatshela ukuthi like it's heavy yasinda the word love that's why umunye umuntu they can be married for 10 years mara kutshela umama ukuthi
uthi zange ngamthanda mina zange ngamthanda baba ngeke ukuthi nje ngathi mangilala naye ngamitha wena kwabe sekufika nosisi wakho ungahlala ke emshadweni ngenxa yenu
that's why nasekucaleni ngibatshela ukuthi ekucaleni izinto bezimnandi in the golden ages but I feel like khona ezinye izinto they were oppressing themselves
sabotage
because sometimes we had to go to sizenzele our own laws and then say it's culture. You understand? So create our laws and then we say this culture. Then we took some laws out of the West and so later then combined said you see unique le ningangisebenza no stick to whatever stick kuyo.
That makes you happy.
Thank you. Uniqueness. Like masikhuluma ngosli, sikhuluma ngobani. Mele nawe movela ile ntombi yomXhosa ntwana nangu lo mntana ngimtshela. Yes. Sikwazi nabanye ahlebe yazi word of mouth like.
As said, I appreciate this conversation. I know this is about getting to know Usedi, and I believe this is getting to know you, your thoughts, actually how you perceive life. I appreciate this conversation because I remember, as I was talking about my mother said, "Bengisasemncane man," because my mom was showing na 17.
Yeah.
I remember she said, "Yabona ke mntanam." Like I wanna try to say it in a verbatim.
Yeah.
Yazibona umhle kangancane. Umhle mntanam. Andifuna uphosisa. And ungathi uba mhle yonke imihla.
Yo.
Jonga ke mntanam, amadoda apha ngaphandle baza kuvithiza. Ubuke wathatha lento yoba umhle wayibeka kwisisiphongo sakho esikhulu. Uzawulimala.
Yo.
Wathi khawufana ucinge ngoku uba ungathi uphuma apha utshayiswe imoto uphuma impumlo or usuke ubuso. Is that what you want to be remembered for? Athi before kuthiwe umhle mabathethe ngenye into ngawo before bafike uba umhle. Before kuthiwe hayi lo umhlophe omfitshane.
Thank you.
Mabathethe ngecharacter yakho, who you are. Yeah, understand. Mabatsho ba okanye lo utsho bani usilini lo sileyo mhlawumbe.
Yes,
mabakudescribe usile, that's you, that's who you are. They
describing you with something because they can't be like khona abanye abantu they describe you according to the way bengisho ngakhona baya materialize. Be like Sli. No. Awusimbona yellow makangena la. Why? Siyazi ukuthi yena njalo makafika kithi usibekelele front page ukuthi mina guys.
And that's all you know. And then omunye umuntu akuthola ukuthi manner of approach yakhe towards you now wa retaliate ukuthi usile. And anyway, we never ngeke sisikhona ukujabulisa bonke abantu. So your first recording uthi ingoma yakho nayibizwa ngani? Udemet.
Yeah.
Kwakutheni uDemet?
Le ngoma mina like okay, it was any concept.
Okay.
Like begi hama wathi like maybe ahle lapha estudio. So mangicula there's a part freestyle name bengistop ngibe like uDemet. How Demet. So bonke bagcine mangithi ngifaka another verse wonke umuntu seka overshadow wanu. Demet. Hayi sebacula leya part leya sukuthi la amanye sebangitshela live ukuthi
asifuna uDemet.
Song ngisifuna le.
Right.
So I had and ekuqaleni piano bechaza ngani just 8 bars or 12 strictly ingoma yahamba, it's nice, it's going serious. So no kumele ubhale.
Yeah.
No kumele ubhale, no kumele uresign, accept uScott Mapho.
Yeah.
Accept right yazi ukuthi makangena lapha aqala athi nonke nahlanya with just simple words.
What's your take in what the treatment that he got up after that interview yakhe? Do you think abantu they, because mina I'm feeling ngathi okay exaggerate wenza amaphutha yes, but I'm feeling ngathi bamcrucify kakhulu.
Mina feel like abantu like bazohlezi bakhuluma.
Okay.
Squad is doing the most and is doing the most maybe udlula abanye abantu in their careers. Abanye abadlula in this industry, understand? Squad is coming way back, buya kude. And some of other guys like must know. They know Scott now. Scott buya le since asebenza nabantu. We don't know Scott bekandlula through what musically kubhlungu because like sihlangana nabantu ukuthi basithwelele studio. Mina ngihamba ngigeze ngamanzi athi ngithanda ngiyabonga ngicela ngibonge ilangelisha namhlanje
ngihlafunile.
Thank you. Ngicela ukubonga ukuthini nami ngihamba ngiyohlangana angithi thina like sibabona yabonga ngiyohlangana nosibani bani mawufika lapha wahlangana naye umuntu ukuthwalele. So we don't know ukuthi bekwenzakalani back then. Ngapha there's the business side of music. Abanye abantwana bayadliwa like izwe ubhlungu. We're not thinking ukuthi wenza music abantu bayajabula and also aware ukuthi my music can make money for me ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyoba
for an example MT
serious fact. So kubhlungu, you understand? Kuninaqala music but it's only now akwazi ukuthi maybe ayikhulise ekhaya okazibhayile idladla lakhe lokuqala in that M4 kunina ku music.
Ngiyakuzwa.
So yazi sometimes there's a quote I always sikhuluma ngayo nesimthona because siyahlanya masithi we rap and do that whole thing. Khona like there's this ngoma man nangazi I don't know they call Drake or something. Drake maybe athi like it's not about ubani uyiqala ekucala but it's about ubani uyenza right. You understand? Yeah, about like ungayiqala yes, just like example symphonic the Godman Kabza. You understand? Symphonic sayihlanyela eyakhe it was you. Wow,
as usasho J Cole angisho kunale line yakhe ithi there's beauty in struggle and ugliness in success. Iyo lobuyifuna. Iyo lobuyifuna. Because that's what happened ngaye. It was beautiful, yes. Elokhu struggle umuntu elokhu athi bebembone umuntu manje successful qala kuba kubi
manje abantu sekumele kuziwe ngama criticism manje njalo. So Scott asazi ubuyaphi. Buya kude and ngeke ucompare indlela yakho neka Scott indlela zethu asifani. Singagcina endaweni eyi1 but ukhuzuka kwakho nokwama kufani. Thola unenye ibump engakanani ekumele mina just ngizoflowa ngilimazwe yilezi ezingilimazayo. And when I thinking ukuthi that high bump onayo izothatha isikhathi kanti no uwozoceda cala than mina wena just because ubona indlela yami straight you thinking ukuthi izinto zoba easy no when ubona gibela angithi wena at your destiny gibela uzofika like akekho umuntu ongekafike. That's why even ama-millionaires ama-billionaires you won't believe umuntu makutshela ukuthi we all can make it.
Yeah,
it's just
and uzibuza uthi amara lo muntu lona ukhulunyiswa ama-privileges, you know,
it's
as much as and abanye it's so pity about you spoke about being humble uthi uyafisa ukuthi noma sewunayo imali ingakushintsha of you are. Yasho no J Cole uthi I hope you don't fall because you're on top of the ceiling.
Yo yabona leyo line is very like dangerous ipha enye into at the same time like i-message ngokwa that small punch. Yeah, serious because ezinye izinto like njengoba uhamba like azifuneki why like bengenayo imali manje senginemali sengiqala ukushintsha just maybe I'm a smoker now. Angithi now maybe sengithi sengiqala ukuba nemali. Okay, ezinye izinto it's about realizing and growing angithi but ezinye it's not about realizing and growing, it's about angazi maybe pusha there's angazi ngayibizana upusha nje esinye status ongasazi sokuthi now I have money bani ngizopemana nalezi zinto.
Yeah,
so ngibona ngiphuza lezi zinto you want
futhi asiyeke indaba yokubhema which I understand.
Yeah,
abanye abantu athi umuntu mina ngikhule ngihlupheka mina ngeke ngisadla into so and then you take that you put it to your kids, you put it to the next generation, ukhohlwe iroute yalapho suka khona. You understand. And guys, we've seen people who have made it and went back. Balanza ushilo wasekuqaleni balanza when a rain check for those rainy days, you get it. But there's nothing wrong ngokuzindulge kancane ezintweni, but don't forget the key word you said. Don't forget who you are and awareness.
Straight up.
Your stage name, how did your stage name come about?
My stage name, no one gave me my stage name. Say the Tribes Musical. Say the Tribes Musically, obvious Kamalam Lisedi.
Yes.
I had to use LE, Sedi. Had to put to say the Tribes. Two different tribes.
Because of RSA Babe Baning.
Yes. Two different tribes. Ne? The tribe Bokulumanga and the tribe. The tribe manje, maybe let me say in Africa, it plus most people who deal with tribes. Tribes of Murikwe, tribes of what, tribes of Bakwena, tribes of Bakwena, tribes of what. So mina githi akusena family. Kushona kumalume kushona. For me side la kabo baba. Phela yes mama ngizalile but angisumntana kubo.
Of course.
Akani ngidlala kubo.
Of course.
Githi kule kumuntu oyahambila yenza icala yes. So basinze akusena next like family phelile. Mina now the reason ngene ku music, number one ngiyaqambela manga wanna create as much as like ngifuna create a new world, like not just musical. Music is start, but music is spiritual for me. It's deep more than ezinye izinto engizozenza. This one iyo into I feel like abaphansi bami bafuna ngicale ngayo so that it can unlock whatever izinto zami engizifunayo. So they want to see ukuthi mina how can I handle this one, because this one dingi patient.
Yeah. Kahle usekuthwaseni la uyathwasa.
Yes. So if doesn't mean nokuthwasa kwami if I haven't had into lokuthi it's valuable, maybe monetary or something, doesn't mean angaphasi. No.
Yeah.
Everything yaphasa, there's something I do by also knowing ukuthi umuntu like mawumonile, you forgive, don't just forgive. Fana nanomunye imali sli, like I learned mina bengazi umuntu phama onemali, you got coins in your car like maybe bamba, amazi just like bamba, you don't know what door you are unlocking out there. Ungaphi umuntu ngokuthi but uNkulunkulu mina ngisiza abantu abaphangelayo xa sithi abakwazi ukubuya kimi bazongisiza.
Don't give with ama expectations. Give ngoba you know it's the right thing to do.
You understand? So said the tribes, ne? Tribe isuka like it's inspired from whatever, because family yami abakwini I second umntana omfana osele family yami. So mina I have to go ngiyathola bosisi bami abayithiwe ngabazi, they're older than me. I'm the one who kumele ayenze le nto abayicabangi bona.
Do you know their names?
Yeah, I know their names. Ngiphethe izinto zabo, just that angina my pictures wabo not, but I got serious information now. So I have to go.
Bona ukhuluma nabo before?
No.
Do you want to mention their names? In case if this comes, or maybe if someone knows them, are you comfortable with that? But if not, no.
Okay. Let's just leave them because you help it, like it's helpful also, but I feel like bona food yes abanye beyaya.
Yeah, okay. Like you don't want to overwhelm them.
Yeah.
I get it.
So
kahle wena njengoba Lesedi tribe, you mean that you want to keep your tribe
alive. Yeah.
Eternity.
Like until I wanna there's maybe ngang differentiate la, there's royalty ne, then there's impilo ye king and a queen in a castle, then there's impilo yomuntu iwana ngazi ngathi urun empire or ngathi urun in but is running something broad ngendlela ukuthi like generations and generations.
So what you're saying is kukho royalty royalty where there's a castle ezucho.
Yes.
And then kukho a leader.
Thank you.
A leader like a queen of rain.
Thank you. Yeah. In 20 years, you see something. Yeah. Thank you. I have a long simplified.
Yes.
Something like that, because and then now I have to go and pick up the pieces. I'm skis, but like
don't apologize. No, don't apologize. People when they failed, they
yes,
did.
Because being respected, that's why I have to apologize past that. But like they failed us, like was fully fana na normal like koninto abaphansi bakhe abayenzile ngekho right bafaka umntana wakhe engozini yemoto, what no, they didn't protect. You have every right ukuthi mawufika kubo ukhale.
And as neBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi izono zabazali bethu zowele bantwaneni, and who should prevent that from happening? It's the parents. Yeah.
You understand? Because kusasa sidina sethi lo mntana lona ukanje nakanje comes back to whatever you said. Uyithathaphi? Uyifundephi?
Yeah.
Don't just wake up and I think you're shy heist.
Yeah.
Let me go rape. Let me go do this. Ezinye izinto zisubuhlungu, like just like amamera and whatnot, rape. Like the reason I'm always angry with men is like how can you like umntana should like now mina ngithanda abantwana bamantombazana more than boys, and mina ngithi bebathi hayi wena musi family ngeke ikhule kanjalo, ngithi I prefer having abantwana bamantombazana kuqala and then ngibe nabantwana babafana.
I think Lontele, it comes from your sister.
Balandele.
I think Lontele, it was planted by your sister. Ukuthi umntana intombazana akalahli ekhaya.
Serious, because I feel like a female figure unengqondo and then khula fast ngepoint ukuthi manje izinto mina ngiyozirealize maybe ngama-20s wami when in your teenage life dala like now most ngibona like that's why they become time lama you said uboy wena yo uboy kakhulu senguboy manje ngapha sintanga why because like ingqondo yakho uyabona ukuthi ukude wena understand ngeke sikhuluma into efanayo yeah
so when you wanna keep the tribe of your family, leading it positively so in every aspect, spiritually, bring them back, whoever who was there, who's no longer there, who have lost hope, who have found other families they don't deserve. You wanna bring hope and assure it this should go.
Okay, yeah. Because I feel like mina bathi umkhulu wami when he was still alive yena umuntu ebathi whatever
yeah
he kept the family like ihlangene.
He was sibabiza ngokuthi bangama-bone connector. Yeah
makhamba yena crusher iside eliwani le family makhamba ugogo
phela amathambo yiwahlanganisa abanye manje makuphume ipiece eyi-1
akusena
cripple
and also ibuya kuphi if thambo lakho right now example la nga twist nyama or something akusena balance ngeke usakwazi ukubalance wazi ukuncika
ngeke nomzimba uzoqhuka uma ulimela isandla but you will limp
why
akusabalance.
Thank you kusukuthi maybe lela thambo liphukile yili thambo elihlanganise lawa amanye amathambo thank you so mina ngifuna ukwenza like something like that then maybe after doing whatever that like ngifuna ukubuild ama orphanage maybe like if I would have wonke like country like serious if I would have like land
umkhumbule ngaleyo
serious yeah
when that happens because it will happen
it will like yeah it
when it happen I'm not saying if it happens when it happen please ungangikhohlwa that's my dream a reason for that thina sahamba sohlala nama foster parent uma kushona umama and for the fact ukuthi la mama Leona was willing to take 4 kids under her roof abakhuliswe different awazi nokuthi bayathakatha but you were willing to help so that's my dream too. Tshele ngathi we share a lot of in common. I love that. And then how industry has been for you? How are people receiving you? Do you like how you're being received? Or feel ukuthi you need to push harder, or you feel what you've landed? Ama emotions ahamba kanjani kuyo yonke le journey?
Number 1 guys, thank you laba bathanda music wami. Kaufela baba nstreamela ngibayetsa everything na guys kale appreciate to the fullest. Leba baloreng le spreader word of mouth up there batho ba mamele music wa na I appreciate you best. Reason being the industry azange yaba mnati even now, but I can't say maybe just because now like success, like my success like into bengisho honestly it's not about imali or ngcoka kanjani or ngenzani. Mina I send out message to those people manje abasimamele. I save someone's life aphethe amapilisi neclass ingoma yami ingena ngemistake azicabanga. I save someone ngazi ini kanjani ingoma yami kwazi ukuvusa umuntu even though I never had iplug lokuphanda but ngihambe ngibuye ngiyophanda ngibelieve ukuthi hayi le ngoma ikhulume nami like I always thought good there's no but kuzolunga it like kuzoba grand at the end of the day. Ayikho into engalungi man into engapheli iyahlola like serious they can say that like nano inhlupheko in this nowadays umuntu aware of izinto ezikanje and then uyahlupheka uyakhetha it's your choice just know it's your choice because by being aware ukuthi undlula through what which means you also have a strategy or a solution towards whatever into ondlula kuyo
ngisakuthanda yes
serious yeah so yeah
and then ngicela ungitshele abantu sewusebenzile nabo so far and then ngidinga ukuthi ungitshele your local dream collabs and your international dream collabs.
Abantu esengisebenze nabo Shout out to Panino 99, Tato Letsulo. Shout out to Tapelo Cash. Shout out to D-Man. Shout out to DJ Pop Manny. Shout out to Peso Manny, cause on 80 last. Shout out to Peso Manny. Shout out to Proton, who was engineer Lama Pete and whatnot. Shout out to Proton. Shout out to Lord Gucci that DJ. Made a hit. Abantu abangazi ngayo with that guy.
Mention it.
Oh, yeah.
You can mention the heat.
Sajane. They
Yeah,
mean Sajane.
Sajane.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Shout out to you, Found X. I can mention you the whole thing. I'm a local collabs because mina ngathini but yini ligama lesilungu multifaceted or whatever. I'm a multifaceted artist.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I do is this thing. I feel like I can think as long as the body is not tired but your mind is weak. Yeah. So if my mind is strong, the body won't get tired.
True.
Yes, so I'll continue living in So I would really love to work with yeah. I would really love to work with Amos, number one.
Okay.
Like
My son loves Amos.
Like it dream. Yo, angazi like I'm nankali like nyembeza mazikho mara yo that guy like if yo like ingoma zakhe eziningi zingisevile ingoma zakhe ezibha zingenza ukuthi ngiphase esikolweni. I came a time where I wanted to leave school. Yeah, but ngamamela ingoma ka Amos. I think I forgot the name. Konenye ingoma ka Amos nayimamela. And then there's this other one I released futhi ngicabanga noma olady mama. Mama, so I was like yeah other parents like aba appreciate abantwana babo whereby there are others ababakhalela, you understand. So Amos for just local content yakhe. Yeah, I would really love to work with Amos. Daliwonga, I would really love to work with Daliwonga. Lime Crazy. Tattoo Heart. Angelic Voice, obviously. Yeah. Tracy, Chomiaki. Now Scott Mapuma. I would work with Scott Mapuma. Who's my guy, man? It's Nobuhle.
Oh.
Ubuhle ndimgelo. Yeah. I mean, I would do something. I would do something Obuhle. Like it would be amazing. I would do something Obuhle. I would change Buhle and not do it in keeper in whatever brand I build up. But if I was 7 on City Tribes, lama company to mahlangana ayenze something huge. And then internationally, njengoba ngitshela ukuthi ngumuntu ama-genre amaningi, I'd really love to work uNkulunkulu angababeka cause bayahamba.
Yeah.
I would really love to work Billie Eilish.
Oh, she's so deep, that one.
Khaled.
Okay.
Yeah, the one oculayo.
Ngiyamazi Khaled. Yeah, no. Ngiyamazi Khaled wesihluthu. Wekhathi wesihluthu ngiyambona.
The Weeknd. I would really love to work J. Cole. Naye for storytelling sakhe nami usave life yami. Khona nomntana lo cula ngamnandi lo. Na uNkulunkulu makangambeka cause I see like she's going through some things. Uyawonda Ariana Grande.
Oh yes.
Yeah, man. And konjwana abo Thames.
Oh, of course.
And Omale khona umntana wathi Omale wase Nigeria. Yeah, mangasebenza nabo nje. Kona, do you know this song what I've been drinking alcohol
5 days. Did it work for me?
And then for me like
did it check for me?
Because if wangaba check bonke labo bantu catalog iqinile.
Yeah.
You will listen to my music history. Ngifuna music wami umamele intanga zami kuphela abantwana abancane.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuthi like Michael Jackson thing. Michael Jackson bekamamela ilo. Nalo hleli ukuthi sacula nangoku. Yacula lentwana. Yabona like yabona. Michael Jackson made an impact and then like ungene stage and like 1 million people bafaint. There are millions but 1 million people.
Do you think akekho mara umuntu ekwenza history ka Michael Jackson?
No, and I can record those break. I mean, I believe I will break it.
I love that.
One day.
I love that.
One day, guys.
I love that. And then tell me your experience with the Ibayepi Media.
Oh, my family.
So you signed with the Ibayepi Media?
Yes. That's my family. That's my team.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my daily life. Like, I believe in those niggas maybe more than they do believe in me. I believe in them too much. Because whatever my manager is doing, my road manager, I don't know. But when they come back, my results are promising.
Yeah.
Izinto lokuthi manje we know nathi asenze imali. They go out bayeza basihlanganisa nabantu abafana nabosili. If it went for them kuba sihlangananga nawo. Kuba maybe you didn't even thought would maybe we share the same sentiments.
Yes,
you understand izinto kanjani.
Yeah.
Yes. So I mean, I appreciate them ngezinto eziningi. Like this guy, they there for me. Like I don't feel okay. Like I can't go out looking for a time.
Yeah.
But there's point where you feel like going khuluma nomuntu kanje nokanje ukuthi no kanje nekanje. So in them I found brothers, I found also abobaba ukuthi no guys kanje nakanje. So if I would do like this when you feel like kanjani, if ngenza kanje when ungenza kanjani. So abantu abanjalo I told them ukuthi you're not my manager. So abantu I feel like yes, this is my brother, this is my father. Because so maybe masingamba say hi, they know these are my managers. Keep ebantwini phela bazothi my father. So jaba no baba akho manje. Hey wena.
So tell me, the projects that you're working on, are you open to bookings and where can they reach you and then ama handles wakho?
The projects I'm working on a 3-step EP with this other guy, Chef KKRSA. Yeah, it's good actually. Dlala Twigs and Vibes. Yeah.
Okay.
So ngisebenzela kuyo phezu kwalo EP. I think now it's about 60% done.
Okay.
Yeah, and then guys for bookings I'm open Monday to Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, because Shimala Jiggiswa guys, no matter how small it can be, I appreciate every coin, guys. For bookings, go to Facebook and my socials. It's City Tribes Musical. Zothola manamba management lapho phansi because angazi bengizowabiza but 073 003 010. Thank you. Straight,
yeah, it's 073 003 0109. I can't believe I know number galentuzana ngekhanda manje.
Yes, because like ngibhalile but 01009. Yeah, guys, and then TikTok City Tribes Musical, Instagram City Tribes Musical 17. Angna Twitter because banamathele.
And he's on YouTube, Spotify.
Spotify, City Tribes Musical, guys, everywhere. City Tribes Musical. Angifuna ukuthi City @ City Tribes Musical everywhere bafethu, everywhere you go. With Slee.
And then I want you to tell me this. Nalamalanga umuntu obelieve kuma vibrations, kuma frequencies and whatsoever. What would you say to young Lesedi? One thing that you know that you turn down ngayo and you want to go back and apologize. And what is that one thing you want to go back uyomshayela izandla for yona?
Ngelokuqala ngale maybe apologize like maybe engisho ngayo ne to that Lesedi omncane ne like I'll go and apologize for maybe like ukuthatha izinto the way I took them back there. Yeah, because ngoba manje the way ngikhuluma ngakhona it was different back there. Ngithola like bebuhlungu. And yeah, I would really like to apologize with no into ekanje nekanje. I never handled into ekanje nekanje sharp in a manner kanje. And I would also apologize. Obviously, I would also apologize to God for doing whatever I did at the time. Yeah, which maybe azange ngaba umntana obedient when I had to. But I was never demanding. I was so. And then one thing I would be proud about, I never demanded anything when I was young from my parents. I did everything for myself at a young age. You understand? Through all as I school. I did until I was le yabona
Yeah.
ngashayela ihlombe ukuthi I always kept motivation in me ngayithatha ngihamba nayo nganayo everywhere
And that's what you using now to motivate other people. And mina ngicela ukushayela ihlombe for ukufakela ulisedi i-meeting of changing that bad energy, the anger and everything, turning it to positivity.
Straight.
Shayela ihlombe for that.
Straight up.
Because I love someone who accounts and who's taking an initiative. Thank you for that.
Thank you very much.
And I want to thank you for this day. I know Kubeninze other things, but you chose to be here with me today. I've learned a lot. Actually, with such seeds, they heal me. That is why I have such seeds, Mina. Because I heal from them. And it heals another person. There's nothing wrong with them. We all go through things.
Serious.
There's nothing wrong with them. They are also human beings. And there's something that you mentioned earlier. You know, yesterday, bengise Kaslam ngisiswaneville yazwaneville Kagiso side.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Kuna this guy nyana akekho angifuna uthi mentally disturbed mara angifuna uthi 100%.
Okay, akekho stable. Okay.
Yangibona la uthi Sne ngiyakubona uthi Sneke eningusli. Sne ngiyakubona yazi. Mina Sne ngithi yimi umuntu engimaziyo but I didn't know ukuthi usangibona ngithi ngimi athi yo yazwana ngikhohlwe wena ngithi ngenzani athi yakhumbula ungishayela enye pasta lapha na kwakho roomini ngithi athi mnandi kanjani wangibiza ngihamba estradeni wangenzela ipasta wena ngithi mina serious athi ya ngithi mina bengihlala athi ubuhlala eblock 7 wena elinye room lakho egcola amateki. So that's how I knew that he knows me.
Yes,
egcola amateki so nama Timberland nama Jordan wakho ukusakhumbula ngithi serious athi yana ngelinye ilanga mangidlula wena owenza ibraai namachomo wakho wangibiza wangenzela ukudla. That thing humbled me.
Yo, but at the same time I was good team, but
like it was this thing ukuthi and mina bengiyenza nje because it's the right thing to do. Uyadlula and ngiyambona ukuthi he looks hungry.
You created something.
Kanti into angikhumbula ngayo ukuthi mina I was like there was no money involved lapho mosi.
You don't know that uthi ngithole maybe he had days weeks angadla.
So a reason that I'm sharing this it's most of the things that you said. Let's touch lives, guys, differently. And let's do them without expectations.
Serious.
So that is why I'm adding this, because sometimes we do things with expectations. Like learning yenze angikhona uku-explain la feeling le because it's just food.
I think makakutshela leyo nto mina ngithanda ukuyibiza like maybe like ngithi ama mixed emotions. You happy, you sad, you want to cry at the same time. So it's that one feeling esingakayizeli ngegama. What's that feeling?
Ngithi mina so bayangibuza wena ngama athi yeah ngithi ngicabanga ngangihlala nini mina lapha yana abo 27 athi it was 2016.
Yo
I was like so you will never know who's watching. Let us be careful of things that we say because asazi ukuthi fika komunye yakha or yabhidliza na. And just to be kind, guys, we go through a lot. Everybody's going through something. Do not impose, do not project. Be kind the best way you know how. And ungenzeli ukuthi unconywe ukuthi ukind kanti uyapretend. Do it because it's the right thing to do. Do it because of it makes you feel good as well to be kind to another person. Word of the day.
Aisha.
Your word of the day.
Word of the day, guys. Ngithanda ukuba inspirational now. Like every time angizokhuluma into like I like thinking first.
Yeah, it's cool. I like to hear myself when I speak.
Hey, ungavele like nje sokhuluma. Yeah, like word of the day. Ngizothanda ukubuyela khona lapha again because like abantu ngathi like they tend to don't understand. Guys, you might have faith. Mara, if you don't work towards that faith, uzohlezi usethembe because asiyenze kanje bafethu. You might pray. Mthandazo uzokusiza, but if you don't meet God halfway, there's nothing that's gonna happen. Msize so that naye azokwazi ukukusiza sharp. So ngeke akusize usiblomele. That's why even mandoza athi uzoyithola kanjani uhlele khona. Even today some of them they still don't understand ukuthi what that is.
Child. Preach, child. I love that. I love that. Ngithande the way ubeke ngakhona ngesizulu. Uma unethemba uthe
sebenzela
uma unethemba ongalisebenzeli uyohlala uhlele ethembeni.
Eish.
That one is very significant. Is there anything ocabanga ukuthi kwi-city yethu mhlambe we didn't mention or feel ukuthi it's important for your people to know about?
Guys, I enjoyed, as you see your boy, things unfolded, Buffett, yeah, man. Nah, I enjoyed it, like serious, I enjoyed the chat, do you understand? Because there are things, like as we had our conversation, like Nami is Gwazilugu, like Gwazilugu relax and some of the things, understand that? Gwazilugu.
Yeah, because you're a bit shaky, you must start.
Yes, I was like, oh, you don't know, because some people, like, they tend to ask, my
point of this, I keep on saying this, we are not here to assassinate anyone.
Straight up.
We are building here. I don't want us to say things 5 years later, but we live interview here today, it destroy what you've built hard.
Yeah, so that's why
asishaying notinyana yana music wakho kancane nje bese yasivalela.
Yo notinyana guys, kile shayizona
kopa
ngishaya ipinoto bese guys ngithanda ukucula nge life related things.
Yeah,
I'm not a party person.
Do you believe in love?
In love?
Do you believe in love? Remember, we said love is a heavy thing.
It's everywhere.
But love it can be anything.
Yeah.
Do you believe in love?
Yeah, I do believe in love.
I'm shying a note.
Guys, let's do like this. Uengozi buke ngane zakho ngabalahli hlezi unathi moya ngicela umoshayo ungasikhohlwa undlulene inkinga zethu moya ngicela mesikuphefumula ukhipha okungcolile moya polisi mize ngena mfudumalo moya this is City Tribes clearly no sleep moya.
Kutha moya uthi mawukhiphele okungcolile ufudumeze. Oh gosh, thank you for that.
Thank you.
That was a prayer actually.
Yeah.
I just prayed. Do you know that? Guys, I am with Osedi Tribes, guys. Musical. I keep on healing through these seats, guys. You don't understand. Enkosi kakhulu Punam. And ndi galamini umama ayoza kufonele ngayo. Akubize. Acela uncedo lakho. Ndifuna uye
straight.
Mama akho lo wana.
Straight. Ayikhipha spin yakhe.
And ngicela umxelele uyamthanda. Izofika kuye.
Mom, wherever you are, turn on my Facebook, turn on my WhatsApp, the statuses. This is your boy, BCD, your second born. Just know Guti Nyaktanda and through whatever, man. Looking for the logo on life, not just hope we Mudimabelo and I get time to heal. Akupulele nje minyaka because like sifuna ubona abazukulu bakho like sifuna like nawe bathi banogogo, not to say ka osane se ke create di story mo tsa gore nkgono wa bona ke nkgono ko next door whereby nna mme wa ka wa nnete na mistreat or something. So I think the ntho tse dingwe we just have to put them in the past but not forget or di etsahetse, you understand.
And mama, just to add on that, uNkulunkulu agcine njengoba eshilo because unyana wakho is working hard. Uzokuhamba yokwakhela that empire. It's going to build that home ezothi nezizukulu nabazukulu bezizukulu bafike balibize ngekhaya. Hlala ke ntombazana, hlala ntomendala umphilele cause uzokuthatha treat njenge queen because into ongazange uyifumane leyo and you need to taste it before uThixo akukhumbule.
Preach. Thank you.
Guys, siyabulela. Uye wathi usedli xa siqala wathi uyabulela ungulo muntu anguye ngenxa yenu. Sisatsho nangoku singabantu singabo ngenxa yenu. Thanks for keeping on streaming. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for liking. And njengangoku ambani niye kuSedi Tribes Musical niyo check ukuthi udume ngantoni wo wonke ama streams. He's there guys. He's there and he's coming. And he's coming hard. And he's gonna do more and more because into edalwe nguThixo akekho ozongaphambi kwayo. Guys, we love you so much. Ama comments ikubazi khona izinto endingazibuzanga, you are allowed ukuba nezibhale phansi uzawuziphendula because of uzobe ekhona. Sinithanda kakhulu and we out.